morning from Hanover, Germany. I am still exploring with Mr. Mike Corey, and we are once again another abandoned place. And guess what? I'm not filming with any of my cameras. This is a GoPro right here. This is the Sony A7 III. Got a super light backpack with just a drone and extra battery, the GoPro here. Just look at this place. 6 stories, abandoned, outside of Hanover. Incredible. Here we go, we're going up. Vamos. 6 levels. So this is the Rokinon 8mm fisheye lens, and I don't own a fisheye. I've got a wide angle, but the fisheye has been really fun to play with. Like, this is just incredible aspect of this place that we're in. The Dutch Pavilion has 6 levels, and each one is meant to represent like a different atmosphere, a different part of the world. And this was the forest level when it was created. It was created in the year 2000 for the World Fair, and all of these beams are made out of giant trees. There's like 16 of them in here. They are holding up the structure, which is absolutely huge. Just amazing. Look at this place. Incredible. We're now on the G Master 24mm 1.4. This should look pretty damn good. This is a beautiful lens on the Sony A7 III. And of course the autofocus holds absolutely perfectly. So must admit, the more I use Sonys, including Nick Page's A9, the more I'm converting over to fanboydom. I think that my Canon days may be limited given that A7S III has come out. But don't quote me on that, we'll see. Give me about a year to actually make some money after this quarantine. See if I can afford to make the jump. But this has been a really, really fun camera to play with while filming Mike. And we've got like at least 3 or 4 vlogs done for his channel, so you want to go and check those out because they are awesome. And this is just out of this world. Really cool. I like filming with your camera, man. It's pretty good. I must admit, it's really weird not having my GH5 or the Canon EOS R. But for a shoot like this, we need to be light, we need to be fast, we need to get the content that we need. So
yeah, definitely.
Tell us about this place.
Yeah, Dutch Pavilion, built for the Hanover World Fair about 20 years ago. It was supposed to be demolished after being built, and they just never demolished it. The photos we saw of this place it was in better state of repair than it is now.
Yeah, it looked pretty cool. We thought we were coming to an interesting, it's more like a skeleton now. We thought we were going to see a little bit more, but it's still really cool to show you guys, and I cannot wait to fly the drone.
Yeah, and so each floor was a different environment. Right now we're one from the top, and from the top there should be an excellent view of the sunrise.
We're on the roof, and I've still got the same lens on, that 24mm 1.4, and it is so good. The sun has just risen and the light is just fantastic. This roof is really, really cool. Just such a good spot for some urban explorations and some pretty sweet B-roll, and definitely a very different video from the channel. So if you're new to the channel, normally what this channel is about is travel, first off, photography, mostly landscape photography, but also some cityscapes and wildlife, but definitely travel focus. So travel photography, travel videography, exploring the world. And that's one of the reasons why I'm collaborating with this guy right here, Mr. Mike Corey from Fearless and Far. This is amazing. What an experience. Really cool to share with you guys, and to see if I can film a vlog without my cameras, which I have not done in a very, very long time, other than the F4 road trip. That was the only time, but that wasn't really a vlog. That was more of like a series. So nice of Mike to let me borrow his cameras. And now it's time to get the drone up in the air, because this place is going to look sick from the air. Let's fly. handheld on the GoPro. Just got the drone back down, and we were only up for like 5 minutes. A couple of really nice shots with good light. That's all you need in a place like this for the video, because this is a bit of an industrial area, and we don't want to piss off any of the workers or anything, or cause any unneeded attention. So it's time to head back down. Back on the fisheye so you can see how awesome this place is, and a very fun adventure. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Sadly, it's the last one with Mike. He's heading to Hamburg, and Nelly and I are heading back to Nelly's mom's place to try and get ready for the big move to Spain, as I mentioned in the last video. So be sure to check out Mike's channel and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, thank you for watching this one. I hope you like it, and I will see you on the next video.